Alright guys, today I'm doing a review on this Bubbly sparkling water. This is the grapefruit version. I've done the review for the lime, the orange, and the strawberry. So let's see what this one tastes like. And ingredients: carbonated water, natural flavor. There is the nutrient panel. If you guys want to pause the video, you can and read it. Alright, let's do a quick taste test. See how this one tastes. Okay, so I have to admit, this is probably my favorite. The aroma of the grapefruit really comes through, and the aroma is quite pronounced, and it almost tastes like a Fresca sort of thing. So definitely check it out, guys. If you have any questions, comments, post below, subscribe to the channel.